Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Lucidchart. This is incredibly useful when you need to organize data, create structured layouts, or simply present information in a clean visual format within your diagrams. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to lucidchart.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This will take you directly to your Lucidchart dashboard where all your documents and diagrams are stored. Now that you're on the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various options for managing your documents. Click on the button that says Plus New. This is your starting point for creating any new document in Lucidchart, whether it's a flowchart, diagram, or in our case, a document where we'll add a table. A menu will appear with different document types from these options. Select Lucidchart, then click on Blank Document. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with, allowing you to build your table from scratch without any pre-existing elements getting in the way. You'll need to wait a few seconds while the blank document loads. During this time, Lucidchart may suggest some recommended templates that could be relevant to what you're creating. If you don't need these suggestions, simply close the template window by clicking the X or clicking outside the pop-up. This clears your workspace so you can focus on adding your table. Now, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll see an option labeled More Shapes. Click on this to open up the shape library, which contains all the various elements you can add to your document. In the search bar that appears, type Tables. This will filter the results to show you table-related shapes and templates. You should see a checkbox next to the word tables in the search results. Check this box to select the table's shape library. Once you've done that, click on Use Selected Shapes. This action adds the table tools to your left panel, making them readily available for you to drag and drop onto your canvas. In the left panel, you'll now see a section labeled Tables. Click on this to view the available table options. From here, you can adjust the columns and rows to fit your specific needs. Simply use the settings provided to increase or decrease the number of columns and rows until your table matches the structure you're looking for. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table to your Lucidchart document and customized it to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.